Court has squashed a decision by the electoral agency and its Mombasa County returning officer disqualifying former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko from vying for the position of Governor Mombasa County. The court also directed the county returning officer and IEBC to accept nomination papers of Mike Sonko. The three-judge bench further ruled that Sonko is eligible under the Constitution to vie for Governor Mombasa. Today's ruling comes a day after the former governor met President Uhuru Kenyatta, Azimio presidential candidate Raila Odinga and his running mate Martha Karua. Sonko joined President Uhuru Kenyatta in his yesterday Nairobi County tour and met Azimio presidential candidate Raila Odinga and his running mate Martha Karua in the evening. Sonko will face off with UDA party candidate Omar Hassan and ODM candidate legislator Sharif Nassar. The three candidates are competing hard to succeed Governor Hassan Joho, who is serving his last term in office. Governor Joho has already endorsed Mvita legislator Sharif Nassar as his preferred successor. A French court has jailed a former senior Rwandan official for 20 years after finding him guilty of complicity in his country's genocide. Laurent Buchibaruta is the highest-ranking Rwandan to have faced trial in France over the 1994 massacres, in which an estimated 800,000 Tutsis and moderate Hutus died in 100 days of mass killings. At the heart of the case against the 70-year-old were several security meetings, either ordered or attended by Buchibaruta, which prosecutors had argued were actually planning sessions for the killings. The court also examined Buchibaruta's responsibility in the massacre of 90 Tutsi pupils at the Marie Mercy School in Kibeho on May 7, 1994, and in the execution of Tutsi prisoners, and including 3 priests in Gikongoro prison. During his trial, Buchibaruta denied any involvement in the killings. 4 people in 3 cases have already been convicted in French courts over the genocide. A former hotel driver was handed a 14-year sentence, an army officer was jailed for 25 years, and 2 mayors were given life sentences. Civil parties in the case of the jailed former senior Rwandan official Laurent Buchibaruta have welcomed the ruling by a Paris court after handing him 20 years for complicity in the African nation's genocide. The parties say this was a relief for the victims of atrocities during the 1994 massacres, in which an estimated 800,000 Tutsis and moderate Hutus died in 100 days of mass killings.